how to use NotebookLM better than 99% of people. Today, I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM like a total pro. This thing is absolutely insane. Most people have no idea what they're doing with it, but after this video, you're going to be light years ahead. We're talking about turning messy research into gold in minutes. Look, NotebookLM just got some crazy updates. And I'm not talking about small stuff. I'm talking about features that completely change how you do research. We're talking deep research that searches the web for you. We're talking data tables that organize everything automatically. We're talking Gemini 3 under the hood, making everything smarter. And most people are sleeping on this. Here's the thing. While everyone else is manually copying and pasting information from 10 different tabs, you're about to learn how to let AI do all that heavy lifting for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to use these new features to automate your research, organize your data, and create content faster than ever before. And I'm going to show you real examples, not fake stuff, real ways to use this for the AI profit boardroom and any business that wants to grow. Because that's what this is all about, using AI to actually get results. Let's jump in. So first thing you need to know, NotebookLM just got upgraded to Gemini 3. Now you might be thinking, okay, what does that even mean? It means the brain behind NotebookLM got way smarter. It can understand context better. It can connect ideas better. It reasons better. And it handles messy data way better than before. Best part, you don't have to do anything. It just works better now. Google flipped the switch and boom, everything you do in NotebookLM is now powered by this new model. And trust me, you can feel the difference when you start using it. But let's talk about the real game changer here, deep research. This is massive. Before this update, you had to manually find sources and upload them to NotebookLM. Now, NotebookLM can search the entire web for you automatically. Here's how it works. You go to the source panel in NotebookLM, you click on web as a source, then you have two options, fast research or deep research. Fast research is for quick stuff. You need an answer fast. Deep research is where the magic happens. When you choose deep research, you give NotebookLM a topic or a question, and then it goes to work. It creates a research plan. It searches hundreds of websites. It reads through articles, papers, reports, everything, and then it gives you a complete research report with citations, all organized, all grounded in real sources. And here's the kicker. It runs in the background. You can keep working on other stuff while it's doing all this research for you. When it's done, you get a notification, you open it up, and there's your full report ready to go. Let's say you want to create content about AI automation for small businesses. Normally, you'd spend hours Googling, opening tabs, reading articles, taking notes. With deep research, you just tell NotebookLM to research AI automation tools for small businesses. And in a few minutes, you have a comprehensive report with all the best sources already cited. Then you can take that report and all those sources and import them directly into your notebook. Now you have everything in one place. You can ask questions about the sources, you can create summaries, you can generate content, all based on that research. This is perfect for content creation. Let's say you're writing a blog post for the AI Profit Boardroom about the best AI tools for customer service. You use deep research to gather all the latest information. Then you use NotebookLM to organize it, analyze it, and turn it into a blog post. Done. Or let's say you're preparing a presentation about how AI can help businesses save time. Deep research finds all the case studies, statistics, and examples. Then you use NotebookLM's other features to turn that into slides or an audio overview. It's that simple. Now let me talk about data tables. This is brand new and it's incredibly useful. You know how when you're doing research, information is scattered everywhere. You've got data in PDFs, in meeting notes, in articles, and you need to organize it into a spreadsheet. That's tedious. Data tables does this automatically. You upload your sources to NotebookLM, then you tell it to create a data table, and it scans all your sources and pulls out the key information into a clean, structured table. Then you can export that table directly to Google Sheets. Now here's where it gets really powerful. You can combine deep research with data tables. Let me show you how. Use deep research to gather sources about, let's say, the top marketing automation tools. Deep research gives you a comprehensive report with all the sources. Then you tell NotebookLM to create a data table from those sources comparing features and pricing. Now you have a complete competitive analysis in minutes. This is exactly what the AI Profit Boardroom is all about. Using AI to automate tasks that used to take hours and doing it in a way that actually helps your business grow. Let's talk about another massive update. NotebookLM now supports way more file types. You can now upload Google Sheets. You can add Drive files as URLs. You can upload PDFs directly from Google Drive, and you can upload Microsoft Word documents. This matters because your work isn't all in one format. Sometimes you have data in a spreadsheet, sometimes you have notes in a doc, sometimes you have reports in PDFs. Now you can throw it all into NotebookLM and work with everything together. This makes collaboration easier too. Your team can add different types of files to the same notebook. Everyone has access to the same information, and you can use NotebookLM to generate summaries, reports, or presentations from all that combined data. Now let's talk about the audio overview feature. This has been around for a bit, but it got even better with the new updates. Audio overviews turn your documents into AI-generated podcasts. Two AI hosts discuss your material like they're having a real conversation. They explain complex topics, they connect ideas, they make it engaging. And now with the latest update, you can actually join the conversation while listening to an audio overview. You can tap join, and then you can ask the AI host questions. They'll answer you directly based on your sources. It's like having a personal tutor who knows everything in your documents. Here's how you'd use this. Let's say you uploaded a bunch of research about AI trends. You generate an audio overview. You're listening while you're driving or working out, and you hear something interesting. You tap join and ask, can you explain that part about AI agents in more detail? The AI hosts pause and give you a deeper explanation, all based on your sources. This is perfect for learning. You can turn dense research papers into easy to understand podcasts, then ask questions as you go. It's like having an expert break everything down for you. NotebookLM also has video overviews now. This is similar to audio overviews, but with visuals. The AI creates a video with slides, diagrams, and narration. It's perfect for presentations or for sharing information with your team. Let's say you used deep research to learn about AI automation best practices. You want to share this with your team. At the AI Profit Boardroom, you generate a video overview. NotebookLM creates a polished video explaining the key points with visual aids. You share it with your team. Everyone gets up to speed fast. No need to read through a long report. Now let me tell you about something that makes NotebookLM even more powerful. Custom goals and personas. You can now tell NotebookLM to act like a specific role, like a teacher, a coach, or a marketing strategist, and it will tailor all its responses to that role. Here's an example. You're working on marketing content for the AI Profit Boardroom. You set NotebookLM's goal to act like a marketing strategist focused on small business growth. Now, when you ask questions, it gives you answers from that perspective. It focuses on actionable marketing tactics. It thinks about your audience. It helps you create content that converts. Or let's say you're learning about a new AI tool. You set NotebookLM to act like a patient teacher. Now it explains everything in simple terms. It breaks down complex ideas. It makes sure you understand before moving on. This customization makes NotebookLM way more useful. It's not just giving you generic answers. It's giving you answers tailored to exactly what you need. Here's another cool feature. Mind maps. NotebookLM can visualize your sources as a mind map. It shows how ideas connect. You can see the big picture and the details at the same time. This is great for understanding complex topics or planning content. Say you're researching AI tools for business automation. You upload a bunch of sources. You tell NotebookLM to create a mind map. It shows you the main categories: productivity tools, customer service tools, marketing tools. Then under each category, it shows specific tools and their features. You can click on any node to expand it and see more details. This helps you organize your thoughts. It helps you see patterns, and it helps you plan your content or your strategy. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like NotebookLM. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab.